The Independence Party is a liberal, conservative and Eurosceptic political party in Iceland. It is currently the largest party in the Alþingi, with 16 seats. The chairman of the party is Bjarni Benediktsson and the secretary of the party is Áslaug Arna Sigurbjörnsdóttir. It was formed in 1929 through a merger of the Conservative Party and the Liberal Party. This united the two parties advocating the dissolution of the Union of Denmark and Iceland. Dissolution was achieved in 1944, during the German occupation of Denmark. From 1929, the party won the largest share of the vote in every election until the 2009 election, when it fell behind the Social Democratic Alliance. Every Independence Party leader has also at some point held the office of Prime Minister. Since 2013, there have been 3 different coalition governments in Iceland, all of which have included the Independence Party. On fiscal issues, the Independence Party is economically liberal, favoring privatization, and opposed to interventionism. The party is supported most strongly by fishermen and high earners, particularly in Reykjavik. It is ideologically positioned on the center-right or right-wing on the political spectrum. It supports Icelandic membership of NATO but opposes the idea of joining the European Union. It is a member of the International Democrat Union, and it joined the European Conservatives and Reformists Party in November 2011. The Independence Party was founded on the 25th of May 1929 through a merger of the Conservative Party and the Liberal Party. It readopted the name of the historical Independence Party, which had split between the Conservatives and Liberals in 1927. From its first election, in 1931, it was the largest party in Iceland. The Independence Party won the 2007 elections, increasing their seat tally in the Alþingi by 3. It formed a new coalition government under Geir Haarde with the Social Democratic Alliance. After the Progressive Party lost heavily in the elections, in the 2009 elections, the party dropped from 25 to 26 to 16 seats in the Alþingi, becoming Iceland's second largest party following the Social Democratic Alliance. The Independence Party re-entered government after the general elections in 2013, gaining 19 seats in parliament and the most votes, again becoming Iceland's largest party. The Independence Party hence formed a majority government with the Progressive Party, with Bjarni becoming Minister of Finance and Economic Affairs under the premiership of Sigmundur Davíð Gunnlaugsson, chairman of the Progressive Party. The government coalition was ended after the Panama Papers revealed that Sigmundur Davíð Gunnlaugsson, Bjarni Benediktsson and other known members of the Independence Party held funds in offshore bank accounts. The general election in 2016 yielded a government consisting of the Independence Party, Bright Future and the Reform Party, with the Independence Party holding 21 seats in parliament. That government then proceeded to fall apart due to Bjarni Benediktson's father's ties to a convicted child sex offender that had his criminal records cleared by the Minister of the Interior, an Independence Party MP. After the general elections 2017, called after much backlash from this decision, the Independence Party formed a new government with the Left Green Movement and the Progressive Party. The Independence Party now holds 16 seats in parliament. The party has been the sole major politically right-leaning party in Iceland since its inception, and has captured a broad cross-section of centre-right voters. As a result, the party is not as far to the right as most right-wing parties in Scandinavia, serving as a catch-all party. The party, like the British Conservatives, states a claim to be primarily pragmatic, as opposed to ideological, and its name is seen as an allusion to being independent of dogma. For most of its period of political dominance, the party has relied upon coalition government, and has made coalitions with many major parties in parliament. The Independence Party has generally been economically liberal and advocated limited government intervention in the economy. It was originally committed to laissez-faire economics, but shifted its economic policies leftwards in the 1930s. Accepting the creation of a welfare state, the party is liberal concerning social issues and has historically been less conservative than other center-right parties in Scandinavia. The party was the only consistent advocate for the end of prohibition of beer, and provided 3/4 of voters in favor of legalization. The ban was lifted in 1989. The party's skeptic position on EU membership was confirmed at its National Congress in March 2009. Its near-permanent position as Iceland's largest party has guaranteed Iceland's Atlanticist stance. The party is in favor of allowing Icelanders to participate in peacekeeping missions, including in Afghanistan. Historically, the party has been the most successful